Hi, I'm Francesca. I'm 25. I'm from Canton in Cardiff. Today I've been having a chat to the guys from the National Assembly about young entrepreneurship in Wales and what it's like to set up a business as a young person in Wales. I run Fresh Content, which is a content business. We produce content for websites, including blogs, social media. We've produced videos, infographics, basically all the stuff that sits on a brand's website. And we produce that here from an office in Cardiff. We've been running for about 8 months, and we're now a team of 3 people. I've been chatting to the guys today about what it's like to set up a business in Cardiff and the support that is or is not available. And I think the biggest takeaway from today was the fact that there does seem to be support around. It's just finding out where that support is and who's eligible for it and who might not be eligible for it. So I think that there certainly needs to be a lot more signposting going on to help young entrepreneurs who might be in the process of setting up a business or considering setting up a business in the future.